Shack Talk Stocks, we back. Another day, another video. Alright guys, so GM, General Motors. You know how we said they were about to go into business with Nikola, but the deal fell through because of the CEO getting caught up in all kind of stuff. Well, they actually finally backed out of the deal. Like I said they were. You could go check out that video. The deal is over. You're not going to go through with it. But like the day after that news broke, some more news broke, which was GM now they'll be renaming their factory and producing their own electric vehicles, the Hummer EV, and they also have a Cadillac EV. So let's read the article always at Shack Talk Stocks. So GM makes a $2.2 billion investment in an electric vehicle plant where the Hummer EV will be produced. Crazy. Also GM they were one of the first companies to I think merge. I forgot what company they merged with, but to create an autonomous vehicle, basically a self-driving vehicle. So they always been about the future, and they trying to get into the electric vehicle space and squeeze out everybody else. So they coming for Elon Musk. So General Motors announced Friday it's turning its Detroit, I don't even know how to pronounce that city, its Detroit Assembly Center into Factory Zero, which will be the company's new home for electric vehicle production. The $2.2 billion investment to retool and upgrade the facility comes just days before it's set to unveil the new Hummer EV, a fully electric truck. Now this is going to be big, very big. So Factory Zero is the next battleground in the EV race. EV race. See, this is a hot space. Nikola couldn't get it done, so they said we're going to just step up, and will be GM's flagship assembly plant in our journey to all electric future. The executive vice president of global manufacturing, Gerald Johnson, said. The electric trucks and SUV that will be built here will help transform GM and the automotive industry. It's quite a resurgence for the plant, which sat idle and transferred 800 workers to other plants last year to prepare for the transition to electric vehicles. I'm telling you, within 15 years, there's not going to be any the price of gas cars might even go up because they're going to be so scarce. Like old classic cars, like old 1995 BMWs and stuff like that, they might actually skyrocket because those cars are going to get squeezed out in I would say the next 15 years. It's all going to be electric vehicle if all the car companies are trying to battle with Elon Musk, because he's getting a lot of money. His stock is the hottest. They want that, so it's a race. Like they said, we're getting ready to build battery electric trucks in this plant, GM Mary Barry told Fox News last December. So the Detroit factory has a bright future, and each impacted employee has an opportunity to work in some of our facilities. The investment, which is the largest in GM's history, will create 2,200 jobs once fully operational. So this is the basically the photo of the Cruise AV, the General Motors autonomous electric vehicle, and so this car drives itself and it's electric. So beside the Hummer EV, the Cruise Origin also will be built here. It's based on GM's ultimate battery platform. GM just got approval to start testing its automotive driver vehicles in San Francisco. So they on some stuff, bro. Also, let me go to show you the Nikola news. Yeah, they finally pulled out, man. They're not rocking with Nikola no more. Like I said, man. Yep. So the dude at Nikola, the CEO, because remember they sent an executive from GM over there to handle Nikola because the other guy got caught up in some stuff. So it said NIKOLA's CEO Russell says the company can make do without a GM deal. I don't think that's going to happen because the stock actually dropped. It actually plunged after this news came out. Like we said it was going to happen, an initial deal agreement. So Nikola shares fell Friday after the truck maker CEO Mark Russell told Bloomberg that the company won't waver if it's finalize a strategic partnership. If it can't finalize a strategic partnership with General Motors, we have the ability and we have a plan of doing it ourselves. If we have a partner, that just enables us to consider going fast and help reduce the risk. Well, it's about to be a huge risk without a big backer like GM. An initial deal agreement had GM taking 11% stake in Nikola in exchange for access to a fuel cell technology for making up Nikola's pickup truck. The talks have a December 3rd deadline. We coming up on that. Nikola is set to dump the truck if it can't. Damn, Nikola is set to dump the truck if it can't reach a accord with GM. So they're thinking about scrapping the truck because they know if they don't get that big money from these guys, which was already planned in the future, you might as well just scrap it and just close the business, man, because it's not gonna work. You need somebody who has a foot in the game already to shake up the market. So Nikola recently traded at $27.50, down 6.59. So that's what's moving the markets today. Nikola, GM, like the video, share the video. Shaq Talk Stocks. I will be back later on in the next one. Also, check out the links in the description. A lot of hot links in